Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the job. Power off the watch and remove the bands so edges are clear. Warm the glass with a hairdryer for 20-30 seconds to soften adhesive. That reduces cracking and makes lifting safer. Use a small suction or fingernail to create a gap, then insert a thin pick at that gap and work around slowly. Why? Because gradual pressure prevents chipping the bezel and gives you control. Once you have a corner lifted, proceed to slide the pick around the face. Now remove the tempered glass completely, collecting loose shards with tape to avoid scratches. If pieces stick, pry gently, don't force or bend the watch. After removal, wipe the bezel and display with 70% plus isopropyl on a microfiber cloth to dissolve old adhesive. This preserves touch accuracy. Use dust stickers or canned air to remove microparticles because even tiny dust kills adhesion. Once the surface is spotless, place the new tempered glass into an alignment jig or steady your hands and align one edge over the screen. Why align first? Because a misaligned protector traps dust and impairs sensors. Lower it slowly from one side to the other to push air out. Press the center to seat adhesive, then press edges for 30-60 seconds to bond. Once done, reattach bands and power on to test touch and sensors. Troubleshooting tip: if bubbles or dead spots appear, lift gently. Remove dust with tape and reseat or replace the protector.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.